right, we have a beautiful plate that I want to do a little bit of work on my own nails here. Heading for Vegas to a big show called Cosmoprof tomorrow. And I just want to do a little bit of decorations on these little babies. I've got Fusion on here with their Pinkalicious rub over top. They're really pretty. Anyway, let's decorate them using this, if it's not Baroque, Don't Fix It plate, one of our new swirl plates. So I've got a little plan. I'm going to use polish number 34, which is Angelic White. And it is going to be sort of a backdrop. This guy right here you can use in a couple of different ways. So you can use it just as a single image like I'm going to. Nice and light on the pickup. And then straight onto the nail. Just as a little backdrop. A little bit of detail. Now, if I wanted to, I could come along with the second image here and put little dots at each crisscross there, where all the lines meet, these little dots. Jump in, but they work really pretty separately as well. So that's what I'm doing with these. And then I'm going to put some more details on top and create even more layers. So I'm cleaning with just a lint roller, nice sticky pad here to get all those extra bits of polish off. I'm going to go ahead and do the nail right beside it as well. So my middle finger and my ring finger, I'm going to do sort of a matching grouping, I guess is the best way to put it. Losing my thought, trying to do too many things at once here. Straight on, give it a little roll. There we go. Okay, so now we're going to take some of these absolutely gorgeous designs. I'm going to use Caribbean Dream, which is number 37. It's going to be my base color. And I'm going to use that for this right here. That's the initial layer number 1 for this image. All right, I'm going to push down. See how that guy bounces? Push down, then scrape, and you'll get a much better fill. Look at that. Okay, I'm just going to use this now because I haven't done anything with it yet. And we're going to pop this base layer right kind of up and around the cuticle, like so. And I want to use the same color here, the Angelic White. It's going to be my outline. This is my outline image. If you ever have any doubts about which images layer with which, you can pop into our store, and the second image with almost all of our plates, and we are working at it being with all of our plates, the second image is, it shows you everything layered up. So it's a great guideline. All right, so now I'm going to take my time and get this lined up and just go in nice and slowly. Got a little bit of working time. If I continue nice and slow and nice and straight, then it all just kind of lines up. And there we go. So pretty. Okay, so the next nail here, the ring finger right beside it, I'm going to do exactly the same thing, but down towards the tip. So pull that in there. And push down. Nice light scrape. Nice light roll over top. I'm going to use my finger to clean up the excess. You can also use the side of your scraper. And now this guy I'm going to place just along the edge here. Like that. And the same thing over top. Our Angelic White. Down, nice light scrape, roll over top. Oh, what do we got in there? Nope, there's a little string of polish, so let's do that one more time. Make sure it's cleaned off. in there. Okay, push down, light scrape. There's that roll again. There we go, much better. Okay. Take our time and get this lined up here again. Just press nice and straight, and then everything lines right up. And there we go. Oh, really pretty. Just love that rub underneath. Iridescent. Gorgeous. Zoomed in there a little bit. Trying to do the videos a little closer so that it's easier to see. Hoping that it translates well through the camera. All right, so I think we should put a butterfly or something on this thumb. And maybe the dots. Let's see how the dots translate here. I think we're gonna need something with a bit more color. So let's use the Caribbean Dream. I had to hesitate there because I hadn't cleaned my stamper, so let's try that one more time. I think we can do those dots a little better. They're not too bad, but try and get it with no voids whatsoever. It's a little tricky with dots, but we'll push that plate down. Hold it while we're applying the polish. Hold it while we're scraping it. The plates warp. That's better. All right. And let's just go straight onto that thumb. There we go. A little bit of detail through the sparkles. And then I want to take some purples because, oh my gosh, I just think the purples will translate really nicely here. And let's do this butterfly here. So we'll do the butterfly himself. Purple, but let's take, so this is Lynnie Loves Lavender. Let's also take Sparkling Grape and just kind of mix these up a bit. And then we're going to outline with the same that we did on the other nails here, but we're just gonna turn this guy into a little bit of a duo color. Here we go. I'm going to put him kind of floating up near the top. So let's pop that right there, and then we're going to go in with our Angelic white and bring it all together. Let's just get that cleaned up a little bit. And I'm going to push down here a little bit. Nice and light on the pickup. Get all those pretty details. And then we're going to line it up. Just take our time. We do have a little bit of working time because once you get in there, you can just press and hold. And that polish will adhere. There we go, really pretty. Okay, well, there it is. A quick little mani using our new plate, the If It Ain't Broke, Don't Fix It. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.